Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Close CRM deal timers and reminders, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Close CRM and log into your account. Navigate to the dashboard where your deals are displayed. Locate the deal you want to verify timers and reminders for. Click on the deal to open its detail view. Look for the section labeled timers within the deal's profile. Review the current timer settings to ensure they reflect the appropriate deadlines. If you need to adjust a timer, click on the edit icon next to it. Choose the new time frame that aligns with your deal's requirements. Next, scroll down to find the reminders section. Check the existing reminders to confirm their timing and relevance. To add a new reminder, click the Add Reminder button. Set the desired date and time for the reminder to trigger. Select the type of notification you prefer, such as email or in-app alert. Once you've configured the reminder, click Save to store your changes. Review all timers and reminders to ensure they are correctly set. If adjustments are necessary, repeat the previous steps until satisfied. Finally, monitor your deals regularly to stay informed on approaching deadlines and reminders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.